afternoon all. In previous lecture, we had discussed with microbes in industrial products. Now, today, we will discuss with the next topic, that is antibiotic. Actually, you know that Alexander Fleming discovered first antibiotic drug. You know that Alexander Fleming discovered first antibiotic drug, that is known as penicillin. Penicillin antibiotic drug is obtained from Penicillium notatum fungi, and penicillin is also known as wonder drug of the world. Penicillin is used to treat the injured soldiers during World War II, and here this antibiotic drugs acts as a painkiller as well as antiseptic one. Fine. So penicillin is the first antibiotic drug. Nowadays we can't imagine the world without antibiotic. Now, the main source of the antibiotics, three types are there: eubacterial, actinomycetes, and fungi. See, eubacterium. Most of this type of antibiotic is obtained from Bacillus species, 70%. So from this Bacillus species, more than 60 antibiotics are formed, and remaining antibiotics are obtained from the Pseudomonas species. Second is fungi. So here in fungi, you know that Penicillium fungi, and third is actinomycetes or ramified. See, actinomycetes ramified. Here the three organisms of actinomycetes, Streptomyces, Micromonospora and Streptosporangium. But from single species of this Streptomyces griseus, more than 40 antibiotics can be obtained. Now, organic acid. As you know that here these 4 points are of textbook. Aspergillus niger, that is fungi. From that we obtain the citric acid. Acetobacter aceti, this is also bacteria. From that we obtain acetic acid. Clostridium butylicum, we obtain the butyric acid, that is also bacteria. As well as Lactobacillus lab, lactic acid bacteria. From that we obtain the lactic acid. I had told to you in NCERT lecture that this question will be asked in the match the following manner. But sometimes the question will be asked in a such a way that mark odd one out, and these 4 options are there. So odd one is Aspergillus niger. Why? Because remaining 3 organisms are bacteria, and now this is the fungi. Fine. So please you remember this. Citric acid, it is obtained by fermentation of the sucrose. Okay. This citric acid is used in medicine, flavoring extracts, food and candies. Along with that, it is useful for manufacturing the ink as well as dye. Fine. So these are the usage of the citric acid. Acetic acid, also known as vinegar. Acetic acid or vinegar, it is obtained from fermentation of the carbohydrate, fine, by Acetobacter acidibacteria. Acetic acid is also known as sour wine. Acetic acid in French word, it is also known as sour wine. Vinegar is used in various ways in home. It is used as a condiment and for preserving pickles. In previous lecture I had told to you that in pickles ખાટું અથાણું કહેવાય. Okay, so generally when you are going to the hotel, fine, and pickles there, so in that definitely vinegar is present. Canned vegetables and fruits for preservative age, fine. Medicinally it is important for promoting digestion and in overcoming constipation. So acetic acid or sarco or vinegar, it is useful in digestion process. It promotes the digestion as well as helpful in constipation. Lactic acid. Lactic acid is produced by fermentation of the corn starch, molasses, potatoes and whey. Yes, you know that by using of the bacterium Bacillus, Lactobacillus, fine. So this is about the organic acid. Now we will discuss the enzymes. We had already learned this. Rennet enzyme, it is useful for formation of the cheese. Proteases enzyme, useful for formation of the detergents. So it is helpful for removing the proteinaceous stains. Okay, and along with that, if you know that protease is also useful for clarifying the bottle juices, and this is given there in the textbook that bottle juices are clarified by pectinase and protease. Now next enzyme, amylase. You know that amylase work on starch, fine, but used in formation of the beer, bread and textile industries. Okay. So amylase, it is useful for amylase is used in beer, bread and textile industries. Next point, lipase. Used in laundry for removing the stains of oil. So lipase is used to remove the oily stains. Now next is amylase glucoamylase and glucoisomerase. Generally, amylase, glucoamylase, and glucoisomerase. These three enzymes are useful in the formation of the flavors of the beverages. Generally, these three enzymes work on the carbohydrate and form the fructose corn syrup. Fructose corn syrup is much more sweet in taste than the sucrose. That's why this fructose corn syrup it is useful for flavorized the beverages or cold drinks. Along with that, it is also helpful in the baking industries to sweeten the biscuits and cakes. Streptokinase. This is given. Streptokinase. Streptokinase or TPA, tissue plasminogen activator. Streptokinase it is obtained from the streptokinin bacteria. Streptokinase, streptococci. So this streptokinase acts as a clot buster. It removes the clots in the blood. It removes clots in the blood. But it is specially used for the patients who are undergoing the myocardial infarction. You know that myo means muscle, cardial means heart, and infarction it means inadequate amount of oxygen is supplied to those muscles of the heart. So in short form it is known as MI. So if the patient is undergone the myocardial infarction towards the heart attack, so in these cases we use the streptokinase. So again last time I will tell you that if the heart attack patients, if any heart attack patient is there, immediately we have to give the streptokinase enzyme to the patient. Okay, so this is asked question in NEET કે કોઈને હાર્ટ એટેક આવ્યો હોય તો આપણે ઇમિડિયેટલી કયું ઇન્જેક્શન પ્રિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરશું. So here if the person got the heart attack we have to give immediately streptokinase injection to the patient so it bursts the clots in the blood. Now, bioactive molecules. Yes, it is given there. Only just revise the topic. The Trichoderma polysporum named fungi, it produce the cyclosporin A. Cyclosporin A is immunosuppressive drug. After organ transplantation, we diminished the immunity power of the patient. And statins also given there. So no need to write that statin. Statin is obtained from the yeast. That is also yeast. Yeast is generally fungi. So Monoscus purpureus. Monoscus purpureus yeast. From that we obtain these statins. Okay, I can write it. From Monoscus purpureus yeast we obtain the statins. Reduce blood cholesterol level. Fine. So statins inhibits the enzymes work for the cholesterol formation. So Monoscus purpureus, then Arabia gossypi. Arabia gossypi produce the riboflavin, that is vitamin B2. That also I had informed you, fine, in the NCERT class. Now biogas plant, okay, sewage treatment plant, no other topics are there. Sewage treatment plant, in that Ganga action plant, Yamuna action plant, fine, and BOD. I told to you that BOD is directly proportional to the pollution, but it is inversely proportional to DO, dissolved oxygen. And no other points are there, fine. Now biogas. In biogas, maximum proportion of the gas is methane. Fifty to 70%. So we say that highest proportion of the biogas, that is of the methane, and 30 to 40% that is of carbon dioxide, and along with that methane and carbon dioxide, hydrogen gas, nitrogen gas and hydrogen sulfide is also there. Caloric value of the biogas, that is 23 to 28 megajoule per meter cube. So for cubic mm, 23 to 28 megajoule energy, fine, it is obtained. So this is about the microbes in antibiotic production, organic acid production, enzymes, bioactive molecules, as well as biogas plant.